Hi, this is Design Guy. I'll show you the easiest way to place two pictures side by side in Canva. First, click Create, then select Custom Size. In this tutorial, we'll use the Run with MP3 option for our project. Click Create New Design to start a new project. Next, go to the File menu and choose Settings. In the Settings menu, select the option to add guides. Now, your workspace will display guides, helping you align elements more precisely in your design. Create custom columns instead of limiting yourself to only 2 columns. This allows greater flexibility in organizing your data exactly how you want within your spreadsheet. Set this value to 0 to divide the page evenly. This action will split your page into 2 equal sections. Next, click the Add Guide button to apply the guide and visually separate the page into 2 parts. To add a mockup, click on the Elements tab in the sidebar. In the search bar, type mockup and press Enter. Browse the available mockup options, then select a sample that fits your design needs. Drag and drop your chosen mockup onto the canvas. If the first mockup doesn't suit your project, simply return to the Elements tab and pick another option. Experiment with different mockups until you find one that works best for your layout and overall design. Click the Try button to start working on this example. The interface updates, and you'll see a new problem statement appear at the top. Read the instructions carefully. In the code editor below, type your solution directly into the provided space. Once you're ready, click the Run button to check your answer against the test cases shown beneath the code editor. Review any errors or feedback, then make adjustments as needed. When all test cases pass, you've successfully completed this example. Continue to the next exercise when ready. Press Ctrl D on your keyboard to quickly duplicate the selected object. Next, let's add an image. Go to the left sidebar and click on the Elements tab. Once you're in the Elements section, search for the type of image or graphic you want to use, or simply pick something from the displayed options. Click on the image you want to add, and it will appear on your canvas. You can now move it into place or resize it as needed. Once your image is positioned, you're ready for the next step. If you want to replace it, just select another image from the Elements tab and drag it onto your canvas. Select the section you want to remove by clicking and dragging over the timeline. Once highlighted, locate the Cut tool in the toolbar, usually represented by a scissors icon. Click the Cut tool to remove the selected portion. The deleted segment will disappear from the timeline, and the remaining clips will automatically shift to fill the gap. Review your edit by pressing the play button to ensure the cut is smooth. If you need to undo the change, press Ctrl+Z or click the Undo button. After confirming the edit, save your project by clicking File, then Save. This process helps keep your video concise and focused precisely where you want. Click the Done button to save your changes. Your settings will be updated immediately, and you'll return to the main screen where you can continue working or review your edits. To remove guides or rulers, go to the View menu at the top of the screen. Deselect the Guides and Rulers options. This will hide any visible guides or rulers from your workspace immediately. You've completed all the steps. Your settings are now saved and the process is finished. Great job! You've just learned how to put two pictures side by side in Canva. Drop a like and subscribe for more easy design tips.